you head outdoors to disconnect from everything, remember, there are others back home worried they won't be able to connect if they have to. Meet the safety beacon from Breadcrumb. It's the only Bluetooth-enabled tracking device designed to keep you safe and found in the outdoors. It's tragic, but each year thousands of individuals venture outside and lose their way, finding themselves in serious or even life-threatening situations. And if they go beyond cell coverage or their phones die, there's no way to determine their location. With the Breadcrumb Safety Beacon, you can get away and leave the worry behind. This lightweight, compact device easily attaches to your pack or belt to give you and the ones you love peace of mind. The Safety Beacon is always on, constantly sending out a Bluetooth signal to keep you safe. This signal is automatically picked up by your smartphone, which sends your location to the cloud in real time. Just share access to this device with a friend and they will know your whereabouts from anywhere on the planet. Using the free Breadcrumb app on their phone, they can see your GPS location mapped with coordinates. If you happen to trek outside of cell phone service or your phone runs out of battery, the Safety Beacon remembers your last known location. But it doesn't stop there. The Safety Beacon continues to broadcast its Bluetooth signal, allowing those with access to track it phone to phone. So, if you need to find someone or someone needs to find you, connect to the Safety Beacon via Bluetooth and activate the light and sound function on the app. 5 ultra-bright LEDs and a loud sound chip make the location known from up to 300 feet away, even if the owner is unable to respond. Access is unlimited and can be shared with a whole team of people to create a search party, which multiplies the trackable range and speeds up recovery efforts. Unlike expensive GPS or satellite devices not equipped with Bluetooth-activated light and sound, the Breadcrumb Safety Beacon is affordable at just under $40. Other options can cost anywhere from $400 to $700 each and come with expensive monthly service fees. But even at this price, we didn't skimp on quality. The Safety Beacon is constructed with a durable weather-resistant case and runs on 2 AAA lithium batteries that last up to 6 months. The Breadcrumb Safety Beacon is making the outdoors a safer, more enjoyable place for camping, hiking, running, biking, skiing, kayaking, fishing, hunting, or whatever you like to do outside. So go out and get lost in the moment, just not in the woods.
A couple years ago, we were approached with a request. We're letting that idea escape. Like our fire beaner, it throws a spark to help create fires. With the flick of a finger, your camp stoves and campfires ignite. It's a simple multi-tool, everyday carry, fire-starting carabiner, ready at all times. We met with first responders and received critical feedback. We took those suggestions and prototype field testing. We'll cut through a seatbelt? Heck yeah! Can I break through a window? Of course you can. Does it still work if it gets wet? Can I still throw a spark to get the fire going? It's a wet world, man. I need to know. Sure, pull it out, shake it off, throw some sparks, get back to that stove, and boom! Yes! Yes, it does work. The result? A first responder-inspired, built-for-everyone carabiner we call the Fire Escape. Open that O2 tank when seconds count. Be prepared for everything and escape when necessary. Clip it to your gear so it's always in arm's reach. Go ahead, be a hero. Dare to fix it. Get out in that backyard and turn some screws and turn some heads. Is the cutter replaceable? It sure is. And it cuts more than seatbelts. So after you've saved the day, escaped, or created your own fire, stop. Celebrate. Gather your friends and your loved ones, take a moment, and watch the smiles happen. Attach it to your keys for peace of mind. It's a must-have item for all your first aid kits. When critical moments happen, you'll shine. Always be prepared and escape when necessary with the Fire Escape by Outdoor Element.
guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Josh, and the purpose of this crowdfunding video is to introduce you to the Pura Bag. It's a low-cost, lightweight, simple, easy way to capture, treat and store water, making it safe to drink. This has application in disaster relief situations, hiking and outdoor, doomsday prepping and anything else you can think of. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to the Pura Bag.
Natural disasters happen all around the world, and when they do, they often leave people displaced, injured, and without access to safe drinking water. At Vinovate, we've developed a solution, and it's called the Pura Bag. It's a simple, low-cost, all-inclusive and easy-to-use system to capture, treat and store water. The Pura Bag provides the end user with independence immediately following an event, whilst lessening the burden on humanitarian aid agencies. Pura Bag is filled through the open end of the vessel, capturing up to 10 litres of water from any non-potable freshwater source. When the bag has been filled, the PNG Pure Treatment Sachet is added and the bag is sealed using the provided sealing rod. Once the sachet has been added and the bag has been sealed, the Pura Bag is then gently agitated for 2 to 4 minutes, ensuring the correct mixing of the treatment powder. Following agitation, the Pura Bag is then hung from any tree branch, hook or area where the bag can rest for 30 minutes, allowing the waste material to settle in the bottom of the bag. The deployment of water after a disaster is of critical importance, with instances of waterborne disease often leading to outbreaks and illness on a mass scale. Traditionally, first responders have freighted in bottled water, which is heavy, expensive and impractical to transport. The Vinovate Pura Bag can be pre-positioned in high-risk areas and airdropped for use in the minutes, hours and days following an event. The bag requires minimal instruction and can provide users with 150 litres of water. Once the heavy material has settled, this is where the Pura Bag shines. Unlike any other water treatment bag available, Pura Bag allows the end user to remove the contaminated matter through a simple twist and lock process, thus removing the risk of recontamination. Using the indicated marker, the bag is twisted and locked off with the provided clip. This essentially separates the bag into 2 chambers, with the waste material separated at the bottom. Once separated, by simply pulling the bottom slide, the user is able to remove the waste material from the bottom chamber of the bag. By resealing after the removal of the waste material, the upper lock can be removed and once again the bag is one complete unit. Removing all of the waste material ensures that the Pura Bag can be carried and the water stored for a prolonged period of time without the risk of recontamination. Safe drinking water is one of the highest priorities immediately following a natural disaster or emergency event. It is our goal at Vinovate to provide a safe, easy-to-use method of water treatment, purification and storage for all of those affected.
Thanks again for making your way through the introductory and instructional video for the Pura Bag. Hopefully it will give you an idea of what this product is capable of and also the far-reaching impact that this product can have to those who need it most. We really need your support to get this off the ground so that we can push it out to those who need it most, and we hope you'll be able to get on board for the ride. Thank you.